Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Obsidian. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can create left, centered, or right-aligned text inside your notes using a small amount of HTML that Obsidian supports. First, open Obsidian and load the vault where you want to work. If you'd like to keep things organized, create a new folder for testing or storing formatting examples. Then create a new note inside that folder and give it a clear name so you can find it easily later. With the note open, place your cursor inside the editor. Obsidian is primarily a markdown editor, but it also supports HTML, which gives you additional formatting options that aren't available through standard markdown syntax. Text alignment is one of those features. To create centered text, you'll use a paragraph tag with an alignment attribute. Type an opening paragraph tag and set the alignment value to center. After the opening tag, enter the text you want to center on the page. Once you've finished typing, add the closing paragraph tag to end that aligned section. When Obsidian renders the note, the text between those tags will appear centered. This is useful for titles, section dividers, quotes, announcements, or any content you want to stand out from the rest of the page. If you want right-aligned text instead, use the same structure but replace the alignment value with right. This can be helpful for signatures, labels, dates, or special formatting layouts. For left alignment, you can either leave the text as normal or explicitly set the alignment value to left. One advantage of this method is that you can mix different alignments throughout the same note. For example, you might have a centered title at the top, standard left-aligned content in the middle, and a right-aligned signature at the bottom. This allows you to create more visually organized notes without needing any plugins. If the formatting doesn't appear immediately, make sure you're using Live Preview or switch to Reading View. HTML formatting is often easier to verify once the note has been rendered. Also, check your tags carefully. A missing quotation mark, bracket, or closing tag can prevent the alignment from working properly. Another useful tip is to keep your aligned sections relatively short. Large blocks of centered or right-aligned text can become difficult to read. Alignment works best when used selectively for emphasis or structure rather than for entire documents. You can also combine alignment with other formatting options. For example, aligned text can include bold formatting, italics, links, or colored text if you're using HTML styling. This gives you additional flexibility when designing dashboards, templates, project notes, or presentation-style pages. Many Obsidian users create custom note layouts using a combination of alignment and formatting techniques to make important information easier to locate and understand at a glance. As you become more comfortable with HTML in Obsidian, you'll discover many other customization options beyond alignment. Simple HTML elements can help you create cleaner layouts, organize information more effectively, and make important content stand out. That's it. Open Obsidian, create a note, use paragraph tags with left, center, or right alignment, enter your text, and close the tag to finish the section. It's a simple technique that gives you much more control over how your notes look and helps you create cleaner, more organized content throughout your vault. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.